I'm getting it now. This is kind of like hard to film. They love to play. She's waiting for you. She's waiting. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Are you gonna do anything, Gypsy? You gonna do anything? You gonna do anything, Gypsy? She just gonna have you at bay? She's gonna have you at bay, huh? Yeah. Oh yeah. She's gonna hide now. Maybe she's gonna go. Oh. Well. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Because there she goes. There she goes. What you gonna do? She's going. She's the victor. She says, I owned you. I showed you that I can be strong. I am Cat. Hear me roar.